buy a $500 gear, create a lot of faceless AI content, publish a video every day. These are some of the most common advices that you will see online if you want to start a YouTube channel. If you are overwhelmed with all of these advices and you're struggling to get started with your YouTube channel, then the product that I'm going to review today is just the one for you. This is Channel Profit Sprint. And in this review, I'll break down how it works, what it is all about, the features, the benefits, who it is for, and if it is really worth the hype that it is getting. I'll also walk you through the sales page so that you understand what is it that you're getting. So let's get started. So what exactly is Channel Profit Sprint? Now, like what it says, it is a 7-day challenge that is created to help beginners launch their YouTube channels and start making affiliate commissions from it fast. There is no need for big budgets or fancy gears or even daily content. And it is something that the creator of this product, Maria, has already tested it. So it is battle tested, and you'll be able to see how she went from under 500 subscribers to creating almost about $5,800 in commissions. So let me first quickly walk you through the sales page, and then I'll come back to you and talk about what exactly is Channel Profit Sprint all about, the features, the benefits, who it is for, and my honest verdict about it. Okay, so this is the sales page for Channel Profit Sprint. You can see here it's a very simple sales page, and it's a proven sales page style. And I really liked how Maria has laid out some of the features, the benefits, and everything on the sales page. But I'll quickly walk you through the sales page here. It in plain simple language, it tells you what it is. Give me 7 days and I'll show you how anyone at any age can start and profit on YouTube. So there itself, it promises you an outcome of making money on YouTube. And she says it's a beginner friendly system that brought me $5,800 in 5 days. So that is what you're going to go through. Now, sales page is pretty simple. It talks about what how YouTube has changed, how it has changed, how is it that people used YouTube earlier, and what is a new way to using YouTube. And it tells you what is included in Channel Profit Sprint. It also gives you a few of these testimonials from people who've already tried it, who've already tried Maria's systems and made money. And it tells you what exactly is included in this Channel Profit Sprint. You can see here it's a 7-day Channel Profit Sprint challenge. There is a plug and post script template, the viral video creation framework, short form content optimization blueprint. You get more sales, 7-day quick start checklist, and you also get a YouTube creator swipe vault. So these are some of the bonuses that are included in the offer. And it comes with a 3-day money back guarantee, obviously, because it is a 7-day live challenge. You're being given 3-day money back guarantee. So by the 3rd day, if you're not satisfied, you can always go ahead and get your money refunded. So that is basically what Channel Profit Sprint is all about. Now that we've seen the sales page for Channel Profit Sprint, let us quickly see what is included in it. Number one, you get templates, which means there is no guessing about what to say, how to say, and when to say it. You get something called as the idea engine, which means that you will never run out of topics on what to create. You get a swipe vault, which is basically a model about what is already working. Then you also get short form repurposing, which means you can turn one video into multiple small assets. And this is exactly where beginners win, because you're not wasting a lot of hours editing or brainstorming or trying to figure out what is it that your channel should be and what is it that you should post. You have everything ready, just plug in and post and you get started. And that is all that is there to it. So how does it work? It is basically a 7-day challenge. So day 1 to 7 is in the challenge format, which means there will be small daily missions that you are supposed to accomplish, which means you will be handheld to launching your YouTube channel. Like for example, in day 1, you talk about picking a niche. Day 2, how to go about scripting your video. Day 3, how to record your video. Day 4, uploading, and so on. By day 7, you would have a monetized video working for you on your channel. And because it is structured as daily missions, you are never stuck in overwhelm or not being able to know what is it that you need to create on a specific day. You are handheld to creating and launching your video and creating and launching a profitable video on your YouTube channel. So how is Channel Profit Sprint different from a lot of the other courses out there? If you compare with the old methods, which is like posting daily, hiring expensive editors, or chasing virality, all of that is something that Channel Profit Sprint trashes and gives you a proven system that you can simply follow. It stands out because you're focused on creating buyer focused videos, not just viral content. Now, when you create buyer focused content, you get better conversions and you make more money instead of creating those viral content which will only get you subscribers, no money in it. And YouTube in 2025 has changed a lot. It is like what LinkedIn was about 3 years back. There is huge organic reach, low competition, and a lot of people are jumping on YouTube, but they don't know what to do, what videos to create, and how to go about making money on YouTube. That is where Channel Profit Sprint is different from all of the other courses. So who is this for? It is for beginners who want to make their first dollar online. It is for coaches, course creators, and service providers who want more leads or want to make extra income from a different channel. Or if you're an affiliate marketer who's looking for predictable commissions, then this is absolutely something for you. What are the pros and cons of Channel Profit Sprint? Now like what I say in all of my videos, there could be some things that might not be up to the mark, but if it is not a dampener, then I don't really care about what those cons are. So let's first look at what the pros of Channel Profit Sprint are. It is easy, fast to set up. It's a proven system because Maria has already used it in her business and made money out of it. It is extremely affordable. It is priced at less than $20. It has a lot of built-in AI tools for speed and for you to get started. And best part is that it is great for beginners because there is no tech skills or editing skills needed. What are the cons? It only works if you take action. This is not a magic button, and just like everything else, there is a lot of effort required. You have to put in that effort. If you don't take action, nothing is going to happen. And some people might want a little more deeper coaching, which can cost you extra. This is a life challenge, which means there are some specific steps that you will go through in those 7 days. But if you want detailed coaching about any of these things, then you might have to pay extra and go for maybe personal or a one-on-one coaching. So what is the pricing for Channel Profit Sprint? So it is priced at about $17.97. It includes 5+ bonuses, which is the AI script writer, it is the idea bot, and a swipe vault, and a few others. For less than $20, you're getting a system that is proven to make money, that could pull in maybe $500, $900 or more from a single video. And you're not going to be overwhelmed because you're going to be handheld throughout in that 7-day challenge to go ahead and set it up entirely. So what is my final verdict on it? If you've been overthinking YouTube, or you're stuck in the guru trap where you think you need 100 things to get started with your YouTube channel, then Channel Profit Sprint simplifies everything, gives you everything that you need to get started with your YouTube channel and to make profit from your YouTube channel. It's beginner friendly, it's affordable, and it is designed to get you quick wins, and it gives you everything that is required to get started. So if you're serious about getting started with YouTube, and if you're serious about making money on YouTube, then I think Channel Profit Sprint is something that you should give a try. It is still discounted. It is available at a low price right now. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Go ahead, check it out. It comes with a 3-day money back refund guarantee. Obviously, because it's a 7-day challenge, they cannot give you a 7-day refund guarantee, but they're giving you a 3-day refund guarantee, which means by the 3rd day, if you're not satisfied, you can always go ahead and get a refund of whatever you've paid. What I would say is go check it out, start small, follow the system, and you will be surprised how fast one video can turn into a real income. Go ahead, check the link that is there in the description box below, get your copy of Channel Profit Sprint and get started. I have a few bonuses that I'm offering anyone who's checking out Channel Profits Sprint from the link in the description box below. You'll be able to find the link to those bonuses as well in the description box below. Go ahead, check it out, and try out this system that is proven. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, then do give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below and I'll respond to all of that. And if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because that way you stay updated with all of the latest videos I release. That is all that I have for today. I'll be back again with another interesting video on how to make money online. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.